In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Adobe Acrobat link. We'll walk through turning text or any area of your PDF into a clickable link either to a website or to another page within the same document. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your file is open, head to Tools. This is where Acrobat groups editing features so you can make changes directly to your PDF. From there, select Edit PDF. That puts Acrobat into editing mode and reveals additional controls you'll need. In the top toolbar, look for the link option. It's represented by a small chain icon. Click that and then choose Add or Edit a Link. This tells Acrobat you want to create a clickable hotspot. Now move your cursor over the area you want to be clickable. Click and drag to draw a box around the text or region. The box defines the active area. Anything inside it will act as your link. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. You can always redo the rectangle if you want it tighter or larger. When you release the mouse, the Create Link dialog appears. For link type, choose Invisible Rectangle. This keeps your document looking clean because the link won't add a visible border around your text. If you prefer a visible outline, that's available, but invisible is usually the most polished choice. Next, pick the link action. If you want to send people to a website, select Open a Web Page. If you want to jump to a specific part of the same PDF, choose Go to a Page View. This is great for table of contents entries, references, or internal navigation. Click Next to confirm your action choice. If you selected Open a Web Page, you'll be prompted to enter the URL. Type or paste the full address to make sure the link resolves correctly. If you chose Go to a Page View, you'll be asked to select the target page. Pick the page you want readers to land on so Acrobat knows where to take them. When you're done, click OK to finalize the link settings. Finally, save the PDF to preserve your changes. Saving ensures the link is embedded and will work for anyone who opens the file. That's it. The link is now clickable. You've just turned a static document into an interactive one, making it easier for readers to navigate or access related resources. Follow these same steps for any additional links you want to add throughout your PDF.